Hi, this is Ann McDonald, and today we're going to share about Wilsonart. It was one of the brands that I had the honor of participating with on Blog Tour New York City, and I wanted to share with you, our readers, Wilsonart's website, services, and their social media. The first thing I want to do is take you to Wilsonart's Twitter page. They are at Wilsonart, and what's super fun is I logged on this morning, and here's a post by Studio M, which is one of the women that was on the blog tour with us. So very fun. Wilsonart's Facebook page is here. It's Wilsonart LLC, and you can go ahead and click on the liked button, and then you'll get periodic updates throughout the day. As many of you know, I absolutely love checking in on Facebook. The other thing you should be doing with Wilsonart is following their Pinterest page. You just love all of the different boards that they have. Love this geometric board, all sorts of inspiration that you can find. One of the things I wanted to show you on the Wilsonart homepage, you go into Laminates, go into Virtual Design Library. So you're going to click again on Laminates. You're going to come down to the Virtual Design Library. Absolutely love all of the different inspiration that they have. Wilsonart is able to customize laminate. It's one of the reasons I like the brand so much. If we start down here at the bottom, nature, sports, wood grains, youthful, delectable, I like that one, retro, study hall, geometrics, folk art. Just spend some time and look on their website. This is Ann McDonald.